Scott Groves here with another mortgage mystery. Buying an FHA or VA project approved condominium. Now, this is kind of an interesting intricacy of the lending markets, but if you're getting a VA loan, which allows you to buy a house with zero down if you're a veteran, or if you're getting an FHA loan from the Federal Housing Administration, which allows you to put 3.5% down, there's going to be some extra guidelines and some extra criteria if you're thinking about buying a condo or a townhome. Now, what happens when you go to buy a condo or a townhouse is really the lender is qualifying you in two different arenas. They're qualifying you as the borrower to make sure that you have the credit, the assets, the income to repay the loan, but they're also approving the condo project, right? Because now you're effectively buying into a community property where other people are gonna be responsible for the maintenance on the building, making sure the homeowners association dues gets paid, make sure the common areas are taken care of. And the lender, if you're getting an FHA or a VA approved loan through either the Veterans Administration or the Federal Housing Administration who writes the guidelines, those guidelines are going to be a little bit more restrictive because you have less skin in the game and you're putting less money down. So what the FHA and the VA says is they tell lenders like us, hey, our guidelines are going to be a little bit more restrictive on the ability to buy a condo. And as a matter of fact, we want this entire project to be FHA or VA approved. Now, this can be done, but sometimes it takes a little bit longer than the standard 30-day escrow or contract period. I would say when we're trying to get full FHA or VA approval on a condo project or townhome project, usually takes about 45 days because the Veterans Administration or the Federal Housing Administration is going to want to look at things like, is there a fidelity bond to make sure that the project is insured against fraud? Is there adequate homeowners insurance on the overall project? Is there adequate reserves and money set into the budget that goes to the reserve account every month in order to help pay for deferred maintenance? Can we make sure that there's no lawsuits, pending litigation, pending insurance claims? So just a few additional steps if you're buying a condo with an FHA or VA loan. It's still possible. There's actually a list online which we can send to you or look on your behalf to see if a condo project or a townhome project has already been approved by the FHA or the VA. We'll actually put the links to that below. And this is something that your lender just has to be familiar with. So if you're thinking about buying a condo or a townhome with an FHA loan or a VA loan, you need to get approved early. You need to talk to your lender about that being your desire to buy in a condo project, and your lender should be able to provide you with a list in the areas that you're searching of condo projects or townhome projects that are already pre-approved by FHA or VA, and they can explain to you and your realtors the steps of getting a project approved if you want to make an offer on a project that's not currently approved by those entities. A little bit tricky, but it can be done. If you're currently pre-approved or if you'd like to get approved for a FHA or VA loan and you're thinking based on the demographic and the area you're living in and the available properties, you're thinking you might be buying a condo, we should talk now. Make sure to shoot us an email, give us a call, schedule a link on our Calendly, which puts time directly on our calendar. We would love to help you get pre-approved, pre-qualified, set to go for the VA or FHA purchase of a condo or townhouse. We'll walk you through how that all works. And if for some reason you're buying in a state where we're not licensed, we'll hand you off to a highly qualified local loan officer who can help you and your realtor navigate this process. If you have any questions, comments, or you'd like to see a specific video from the Mortgage Mystery Series, leave a comment below, subscribe, click the like button. We're happy to post a video with any question within 24 hours.